Bow Windows Clearwater installation in Clearwater, Florida, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of Bow Windows Clearwater styles available, residents can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that complement their home's architecture. Bow Windows Clearwater contractors offer expert guidance on selecting the right dimensions and materials to ensure a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. Custom Bow Windows Clearwater provide a unique opportunity for homeowners to personalize their living spaces. By working with Bow Windows Clearwater specialists, residents can design windows that reflect their personal style and meet their specific needs. Custom Bow Windows Clearwater offer a range of options, including energy-efficient designs that help reduce energy costs and improve indoor comfort. Energy-efficient Bow Windows Clearwater are an excellent investment for those looking to lower their utility bills and increase their home's value. These windows are designed with advanced materials and technologies that minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bow Windows Clearwater experts can help homeowners select the best energy-efficient options for their specific climate and needs. Bow Windows Clearwater installation in Clearwater, Florida, is essential for maintaining the beauty and functionality of these elegant window structures. Over time, Bow Windows Clearwater may require installations due to wear and tear, weather damage, or other factors. Bow Windows Clearwater installation services ensure that windows remain in top condition, providing continued benefits such as improved natural light and enhanced curb appeal. Bow Windows Clearwater replacement is a practical solution for outdated or damaged windows. Replacing old Bow Windows Clearwater with new, modern designs can significantly enhance a home's appearance and energy efficiency. Bow Windows Clearwater replacement services offer a wide range of options, from traditional wood frames to contemporary vinyl and aluminum materials. Bow Windows Clearwater design is a crucial aspect of creating a cohesive and attractive home exterior. With the help of Bow Windows Clearwater consultants, homeowners can explore various design options that align with their personal taste and the architectural style of their home. Bow Windows Clearwater design services focus on creating windows that are both beautiful and functional. Bow Windows Clearwater contractors are skilled professionals who specialize in the installation, maintenance, and replacement of bow windows. These experts have the knowledge and experience to handle all aspects of Bow Windows Clearwater projects, ensuring high-quality results and customer satisfaction. Bow Windows Clearwater contractors are committed to providing top-notch services that meet the unique needs of each client. Bow Windows Clearwater installation in Clearwater, Florida, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of Bow Windows Clearwater styles available, residents can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that suit their personal taste and home architecture. Bow Windows Clearwater contractors are skilled in providing seamless installations that ensure durability and energy efficiency. Whether you're considering custom or energy-efficient Bow Windows Clearwater, the options are endless for creating a stunning focal point in your living space. When it comes to Bow Windows Clearwater installation, it's essential to hire experienced experts who can address any issues promptly and effectively. Common problems such as leaks, drafts, or damaged frames can be resolved by Bow Windows Clearwater professionals, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Regular Bow Windows Clearwater maintenance is crucial to prolonging the lifespan of your windows and maintaining their performance. Bow Windows Clearwater solutions include routine inspections and timely installations to prevent costly replacements. For those interested in Bow Windows Clearwater replacement, there are numerous options to consider. Upgrading to energy-efficient Bow Windows Clearwater can significantly reduce your energy bills while enhancing your home's comfort. Bow Windows Clearwater enhancements, such as double glazing or low-E coatings, provide additional insulation and UV protection. Bow Windows Clearwater specialists can guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose the best materials for your needs and budget. Custom Bow Windows Clearwater offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's design. With various Bow Windows Clearwater dimensions available, you can create a window that perfectly fits your space and style. Bow Windows Clearwater design can be tailored to include specific features such as built-in seating or storage, maximizing both functionality and aesthetics. Bow Windows Clearwater consultants can assist in designing a window that complements your home's architecture while providing the desired benefits. The benefits of Bow Windows Clearwater installation extend beyond aesthetics. Bow Windows Clearwater benefits include increased natural light, improved ventilation, and enhanced views of the outdoors. These windows can also add value to your home, making them a worthwhile investment. Bow Windows Clearwater cost varies depending on the size, materials, and features chosen, but the long-term advantages often outweigh the initial expense. Bow Windows Clearwater providers can offer detailed quotes and financing options to suit your budget.